Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ahmad Saifullah with name 125060301111015. Will presentation about virtual private network and applicate. Definition: virtual private network or VPN allow two or more parties to communicate securely over a public network using cryptographic algorithm and protocol. VPN provides security service such as confidentiality, host authentication, and data integrity. The computation required to provide adequate security, however, can significantly decrease performance. The Layer 1 VPN service support multiple customers for a single Layer 1 network with control and management capabilities. Scope for each VPN: mandatory and optional service requirement, with specific requirements for dedicated resource management have been presented. For major functions to support the Layer 1 VPN service have also been described, namely the membership information maintenance, routing information maintenance, and route computation and connection control and management. Three types the architecture have been explained: distributed, centralized, and hybrid. More detailed functional architecture, mechanism, and protocol are needed to support the Layer 1 VPN service and represent an area of interest for further development, including standardization activity. Figure VPN service interface for customer 1 and customer 2 to provider network. IP security and mobile IP. The primary objective of this paper is to present the design and implementation of a secure wireless LAN based on IP security VPN tunneling protocol and investigate this performance. And IP security compliant VPN is constructed and the stack between the wireless node and the gate is protected by IP security tunnel. PGP certification is used to provide secure public key management. Mobile IP (MOIP) provide a solution to integrate mobility and IP layer and virtual private network service. The extent to which data compression can alleviate this performance problem in the VPN implement with the IP security protocol (IPsec). We use a system model for IP security transaction to derive an inequality that specifies and the condition required for data compression to improve performance. We generate performance result for many combination of network type, data type, packet size, and encryption, authentication, and compression algorithm. We find that compression usually improve performance when using 10 megabit per second or slower network, but compression only improve performance in system with 100 megabit per second or 1 gigabit per second network when using computationally intensive encryption algorithm. In the end, we demonstrated invalidity and proposed solution by presenting the implementation on a Linux-based testbed. The development of the testbed allows also to show some performance of the combination of mobile IP and IP security in terms of average added. Figure about MIP and IP security by PGP certification in usage provide secure public key management. UDP and TCP performance analysis are done to determine the effect of IP security service on the wireless VPN. Further, TCP trends analysis is done to determine MP capacity usage on the wireless VPN. VPN in the LAN. A virtual private network. VPN provide corporate networking between geographically dispersed company site. VPN site consists of the local area network LAN interconnected over a public network infrastructure through virtual link. The goal of the work is to develop a control model able to manage traffic on this link. By managing bandwidth, utilizing a control model each link the optimum balance for the allocation of bandwidth on the entire VPN can be found. The proposed model is a scaled hierarchy bandwidth manager and implemented in each lane of the VPN. It is also able to cope with best effort and guaranteed flow so that bandwidth less used by guaranteed flow and dynamically distributed among best effort on. Optical virtual private network. Wavelength division multiplexing VDM network supporting virtual private network or VPN. In which working and spare capacity are allocated in the network, satisfying a series of traffic matches corresponding to a group of optical VPN. Based on protection architecture, where multiple protection group (PG) are supported in single network domain, we propose to novel integer linear programming atau ELP model, namely ELP1 and ELP2. ELP1 consider our connection request of each OVPN in a single formulation, which may suffer from long computation time when the number of connection requests in a OVPN is larger, to trade capacity efficiency with computation complexly. ELP2 is developed such that each OVPN can be further divided to multiple small PG based on specific grouping policies and satisfy multiple QoS requirements. With VPN over a PON using eCDMA. The transmission of VPN data is performed using broadband optical source, and this can potentially be overlaid on the existing PON infrastructure. CDMA provides spherical layer security for the transmitted signal, enable multiple access, and provide resilience against interference. Scheme for secure and multiple VPN over a PON using a CDMA. The transmission of VPN data performed using broadband optical resource and TSDM could potentially be override on the existing PON infrastructure. A CDMA provides physical layer security for transmitter signal, enable multiple access, and provide resilience against interference. By using the technique of code division multiple access technique to achieve multiple secure virtual private network over passive optical network architecture. About of the reference in using for my presentation. And thank you about presentation. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.